Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some lovely battered bananas from the bananas that was brought from Chipston. So while it's still fresh, we are trying to make much of a little bit banana recipes, and these are the bananas that I boiled. I showed you all how to boil the banana in the kebab recipe, adding salt to the water, and I cut them long ways. And then for my batter, I've got a cup of cake flour sieved, and I'm going to use a squeeze of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of mixed chili powder. But there's another method when making this also. You can use your chili bag mixture, and then you don't use your black pepper and either the salt, but if you like to put some chili powder, you can do so. And then I have a cup of water to make my batter. So this is what I do. I put in the chili powder, the salt, and the black pepper. This is going to be one quick recipe. So I mix all this together. And gradually add in my water. I'm going to make a batter that is not too thick and not too weak. So I used in my cup of water.
Can you use chana flour instead of the cake flour?
When using chana flour, you add in your salt and your masala and your black pepper, because chana flour is not mixed. But the quicker way is the chili bite mixture. Okay, I'm going to mix this. I'm going to beat it very well so it won't cause the lumps. So you can see it's like a running batter and there's no lumps to it. This is the batter that I made, and I've also had my oil heating up, and now I'm ready to fry the bananas out. Now my oil is quite hot, and I'm going to deep fry this bananas with the batter. This is almost 2 centimeter oil. So this is what I do. Take the strip, okay. If you do have extra batter, You can use it by frying a little bit of brinjal or even slicing a potato and making into a potato bhajia so it doesn't goes out for waste. My bananas are done. And there's so many different type of recipes can be done with banana. But banana don't have a long fridge life. So what I did was to boil the extras and cut them into halves, and I froze them. The reason being, if I do happen to make a nice veg curry, I can throw my boiled bananas into it. Here's your quick and easy battered banana. Can be served as a snack or as a starter for any occasion. This is something people don't usually get. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.